Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm just going to be making a journal page using this stencil from the Crafters Workshop. This is TCW 866. Here, you can see it better right here. It's this one right here. It's called the Cypress tree. So that is the one I'm going to be using. And then I'm going to be doing it in is this calendar that I've had for, well, since 2010, and I just open it up and find pages and just make something with them. So I'm going to be using some acrylic paints and also like an old credit card or gift card. So just taking a little bit of the paint, adding some little drops of it, and then I like to use the card because I can easily just spread it out thin, and this helps it dry faster. So I'm just going to keep repeating this, adding different colors. So the stencil, get an idea, is going to go about there. So when I'm adding the colors, I want it to be underneath the stencil area. So now I'm just going to take the stencil, lay it down where I'm going to want it, and then I'm just going to tape it down. Okay, so next I am just going to use some resist paste from Cosmic Shimmer, and with this, just use my finger, just kind of rub it onto the top, like that, and then just go right over the opening of the stencil all the way around it until you have everything covered. Okay, now that I've got that done, I'm just going to peel it off. You can kind of see the waxed image on there a little bit. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is just take a light colored acrylic paint, and I'm just going to pour it on there. Just carefully start brushing over the top of it. Now that the paint is dry, I'm just going to take a paper towel and just going to start rubbing right over it. So that's what it looks like once you get all the paint removed. You get the painting that was underneath there first pops out, which gives it a cool look. Next, I'm just going to take some chalk and a Fantastix. Just do a little bit of shading. Okay, so that is what it looks like so far. And now I'm just taking, this is DecoColor Premium, I guess. This is gold marker that I'm going to use. And I'm just going to go through and just kind of highlight edges. So first when I did it, I was just doing with the pen, the marker, I was just doing little highlighted areas, but I decided I liked it when I went all the way around it. So I completely outlined the image, And now, using a stamp and some Stazon metallic gold, I'm just going to do some light random stamping around the image. And then also just taking the gold marker and then spraying that with some water. And then I'm going to flick that on there too. So there it is. At the end, I decided to use my Wink of Stella brush pen marker. This is in gold, and just go along the outside edge just to give it kind of a frame. And then there it is. Just something fun that I did in my journal. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and if you enjoyed my video, I would love a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye-bye.